Hello, thank you for joining me. Now, the question here says if you find angle DBE below. So, this circle geometry question looks a bit complex, but it is quite easy. So, I'll show you how to go about it. Now, if you look at this ABCE, ABCE, it is a quadrilateral and it is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the points are at the circumference of the circle or the edges. So ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. And the rule says that, or the theorem says that, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. The opposite angles are supplementary. Supplementary means they add up to give 180 degrees. So if I call this angle now, if I call it angle X, for example, then this angle X plus 120 add up to 180 because the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary meaning it add up to give 180. So from there, I can simply say X is equal to this 180 is already here. This plus 120, if it comes to this side, it becomes minus 120. So that will give us the value of X as 60 degrees. 180 minus 120 is 60. So this angle is 60 degrees. That's the value of X. This angle is 60 degrees. Now, let's look at this line. This is a diameter because it is a straight line that passes through the center of the circle. So this is a diameter. Now, when you have a diameter, you consider the triangle that diameter forms. So we're looking at this triangle DBCD. Triangle BCD. That is this triangle. Now, the opposite, if you are looking at that diameter, the opposite angle to that diameter inside the triangle is right angle. So the theorem says that angle in a semicircle is right angle because this line makes it a semicircle. This diameter makes it a semicircle, half of a circle. So angle in a semicircle is right angle, meaning that this line diameter makes right angle degree, makes 90 degree. This full angle makes 90 degree in the triangle that it forms in that circle. So this is a line and this is its opposite angle in this triangle. So this opposite angle to this diameter line is 90 degree. And that is angle in a semicircle is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. So if the whole of this angle is 90, then you agree with me, and this angle here is already 60, then you agree with me that we can get this remaining part, this remaining angle here. Because everything is 90, this angle is 60, so this remaining one, this small remaining one that I've drawn here, this remaining angle will be equal to 90 minus 60, which is equals to 30 degrees. So you agree with me that that angle now is 30 degrees. So this angle, let me just put it here, is 30 degrees, this angle here. Now, let's look at these 2 points, D and E. Looking at this point here and looking at this point, I have these 2 lines coming to this circumference. These 2 lines coming to this circumference from the point D and E. This line comes to this circumference at C, and this line comes to this circumference at C. And the 2 lines together are what form this 30 degree. This 30 degrees. So these 2 lines that come to this circumference here, this line here, they are the one that form this small angle 30 degree at this circumference. So now in the same way, I have 2 lines moving from the same point D and E going to another part of the circumference at B. So you can see the line here going to B, from the same E goes to B to form this angle here. And that angle that they are forming is the angle DBE that we are asked to look for. So you can see it's DBE. DBE. Hope you are seeing it. D, B, and then E, which is this angle here. So now you agree with me that because the two lines are coming from D and E and they form this angle here at the circumference, the same D and E, point D and E, they form this 30-degree at the circumference here, then you agree with me that the theorems there says that angle in the same segment are equal. So this angle here is in the same segment with this angle because you can see them from coming from the same point to form angle at circumference, different parts of the circumference. So this angle 30-degree is also equal to this angle DBE. So that tells us that DBE is equal to 30-degree. And the reason is that angle in the same segment are equal. Hope it is clear. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos. Thank you for watching.